Hey guys, my name is Blake, and I'm going to be showing you a couple of codes for Animal Jam. These codes are to get 500 gems, if you feel like you need 500 gems. I got them off of Animal Jam, whatever, animaljam.com or something. Animal Jam World, it's close enough. Explore. So, Party gets you 500 gems. NGKAJ. Oh geez, I'm never gonna get that one down. That's the only one I'm missing, isn't it? NG. Shift. NG. NG. KAJ. KAJ. KJ17. And this will give you, as it said, 500 gems until it expires in a while. Man, how much money? 7,000 gems? That's too much, actually. I like Animal Jam World. Gift codes, free codes, gem codes, cheat codes. Nothing. Cheat codes. No. What? That's why you don't go to ads. Animal Jam. So it looks like Animal Jam World does work. So I highly suggest that you go to Animal Jam World. So, without any further ado, it was a short video, but my giveaway today is, if I can find it, I don't know what it is. It's what? No. Switch dens. I have 3. Oh yeah, I can get quite a bit more houses. So my daily giveaway is the 5th birthday cake, the snowflake decorations, and if I can find it, where did it go? What was I getting? Oh, I don't know. Oh yeah, it was in clothes. Okay, I was just kidding. This is the only thing I'm gonna put in the giveaway, which is the rare wristwatch. It's for members only, so if you're not a member, you shouldn't put your username down and a reason, because you can't wear it unless you've been a member. So, bye!